Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily check your credit score on TransUnion. So here's how you can easily check your credit score in TransUnion. So in your Google web page, just search for TransUnion check credit score. Then on this web page, just scroll down until you can see a link with the name credit report and click on it. Next is you will be redirected to this page. You can easily just click on get my free annual credit report. And from here, just click on request your free credit reports. And the text here will pop up that shows 3 steps on how you can get a free online credit reports. So just scroll down until you see request your credit reports. So here you will undergo the first step on filling out a form. Just fill in all the necessary details. Then once done, just click on next. So from there, you can now easily just pick the credit reports that you want to view from Equifax, Experian, or TransUnion. From there, you can easily just request and review your reports online. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!